Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Bitcoin has broken out a triangle on the 4 hourly time frame and a very big resistance of the down channel on the daily time frame. Now the question, is there any possibility for the pullback and retest the previous resistances? In today's video, we will take a look at this move, but before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis, and we have seen that recently the price line has broken out this ascending triangle on the 4 hourly time frame. And previously we have seen that the price line 2 times broke down the support, and that was a fake out to the downside here on 24th of January and also here as well. But again, the price line reversed back and broke out this support and also this resistance of the triangle, and also broke out this 200 4 hourly moving average, the simple moving average with the time period of 200. Now I am waiting for this 50 simple moving average to cross up this 200 simple moving average. Yeah, now you can see that both moving averages are moving towards each other, and soon we can expect this bull cross or golden cross. And previously we have seen whenever we have received this golden cross on this 4 hourly time frame, on a very small time frame, it has changed the trend from down to the uptrend. Here we had seen this golden cross was formed on 6th of October, and the trend was completely changed. And before that, we have recently seen here back in July 2021 when we were in downtrend, and the trend after this bull cross was completely changed. Now this bull cross is again going to be formed very soon. Now if we switch back to the daily time frame, here we have broken out this resistance of the down channel, and this was another very important resistance we had at $39,600. And when we were moving about this resistance and it was working as a support, I have been telling you that it is a really very strong support. Now again we are above this resistance, and now it can again work as a very strong support, because here it worked as a support, here it worked as a support, and here you can see for several candlesticks on the daily time frame it has been breaking as a resistance, and here as a resistance back in January 2021 when this rally was started, and we had a very powerful rejection, and finally we broke out and we set an all-time high for Bitcoin. But again the price line moved down, and this level has been breaking as a really very strong resistance then. Therefore this time again it can work as a very strong support. And for example, if there will be a pullback, that I'm expecting that can be, because on the daily time frame there is a still hidden bearish divergence. You can see that the price line is not able to form another higher than previous high so far, but the difference is very small. It can form very soon, and you can see that the RSI is forming a higher than previous high. On this daily time frame we have this hidden bearish divergence, but if we take a look at this these two moving averages with the time period of 10 and 21 exponential moving averages, then we can see that these moving averages are very close to form a bull cross with each other. And if we take a look at the previous history, whenever these moving averages forms a bull cross like this, smaller time frame moving average crosses up this bigger time frame, the 21, then we had a nice rally here, and previously we had another nice rally here after this bull cross, and before that we received bull cross here in the month of January 2021, and we again had very nice rally. And that same bull cross is going to be happen once again, and once this EMA 10 will cross up the EMA 21, then there will be a really very high probability that the price line may continue its move to the upside, and we may have another long-term rally of Bitcoin. But here we have the bearish divergence, the hidden bearish divergence on the daily time frame. For example, if the price line moves back for the retest, then I don't think so that it will test this support, the previous resistance of the channel as a support. In my opinion, it can test this level, that is approximately $39,600 support, and from there it can start a next move towards the upside, because on the weekly time frame we have a very big hidden bullish divergence as the price line is forming higher than previous high, higher low than previous low. and this RSI is forming lower low than previous low. So there is a very big hidden bullish divergence on the weekly time frame. Therefore, we can once again expect a big move of Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.